everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here we are again. I am here to show you the DIY makeup storage organization inexpensive part 2, and I'll link down below the part 1. I'm super excited to show you this part. It's not going to be a part 3. I thought it would be, but it's not. I'll show you what I did with the rest of my makeup. I organized my lipsticks, my lip glosses, my eyeshadows, and my blushes. Anything else that I'm missing? Oh yes, my lip liners and my eyeliners. I'm really excited to show you about that too. I'm so excited to show you everything today. So let's just jump right in. To start off, this is what I've used to organize my lip glosses and my lipsticks. I have about four trays like this. One's just various different colors. One of them is all the pinks, one of them is all the peaches and the corals, and one of them is all the nudes. Okay, so what I've done here, it looks like this. It's a clear square tray. I got the 4 of them at Dollarama, and so inexpensive. The price is still on here, I think. Oh no, I took it off. I think this tray was like $1.50 each. It's just incredible. So as you can see, if my glosses don't fall, so here are my nudes and whatnot, and it looks like that. And then what I found is I already had it organized like this, but I decided to put a little bit of like bristle board inside and measured it, so then it keeps my liquid lipsticks and my lip gloss, it keeps them upright, which truly helps. I know right now they're being a little bit of a pain is because I'm moving them around, but usually they sit like this and they don't move, or else they would slide and fall, and I couldn't find anything. So that's what I did with my lipsticks, and of course I'm going to show you how everything is organized after I've showed you everything that I did. Then what I did with my eyeshadows, I actually bought 4 of these trays. I believe these were like $1.50 as well, or 3, I could be wrong, at Dollarama. They do look like this. I looked on Amazon and oh my god, were they ever expensive. I think a tray was like $20, $24, $30. I was like, I'm gonna go to Dollarama and see if I can find something for a lot cheaper, because I knew that I would be able to, and I did. So this tray here, as you can see, so these are my nudes, and then this is like my grays and my blacks and my silver, but I do have 4 different trays like this that I've divided like this. So really technically I have 2, 4, 6, I have 8 different compartments in the 4 trays, which is amazing. So some, you know, have the pink and the orange and the greens and the blues, so like they look fantastic, and I just stack them up like right on top of each other like this, and they're so organized and it's so easy for me to find. I know right now it's a little bit all over the place, but you get the idea. And I put bristle board in the middle to divide the 2 different colors, measured it, glued it in there with a little bit of glue gun. You know me and my glue gun, I love it. And here we are, and I have 4 trays like this. Then at Dollarama I also grabbed 4 of these cute little holographic boxes. I actually have 2 left over, but I will keep them because I will definitely find something to store these with. It's not too high, it's like the medium size. I just love them. What I did with these, I've added bristle board on the inside, and I've made 3 lines this way, and then I did compartments to make 6 different ones, and that's how I organized my lip liners and my eyeliners. So I did 1 box for my eyeliners and 1 box for the lip liners, and I'll show you. And what I've done is I didn't know what to do with the lid, and I was a little bit concerned because I was like, oh my god, like what do? I don't want to throw this out. Of course I was going to keep it to like use it for something else down the road. But then what I've noticed is when I've put the lip liners and the eyeliners in there, I found that even though they were straight like this, sitting on my shelf, they were kind of like falling out, which I didn't like. So I've decided to just put the box like that, resting on the lid. So it's just it just sits on an angle like that, and then it rests so nicely on the lid, and then at least the liners are pointing a little bit upwards, so they're not gonna like fall down, which that truly helped. And I'll show you what I did with those. This is what it looks like. So I'll show you without the lid, but I've done this. So you see how it's got like the 6 different compartments in there with the bristle boards of the different colors. Like I have the nudes, and I have the reds and the terracottas and the burnt oranges. I have my corals and my peaches. I have my dark plums and dark colors, pink nude, and then I have my hot pinks and my pinks here, whatever else is there. So that's what that looks like. So I have 2 of those. And so this is the one for the lip liners, and see how it just sits like that, like absolutely amazing. It's on an angle and they're not gonna fall down, which is so helpful. Yeah, so this is for my eyeliners. As you can see, we got the black and the white, we have the maroon colors, and these are the purples, this here are the blues, the greens, and these are the gold and the browns. So it totally turned out so cool. And again, it sits like that and they don't fall out, which I really, really like. For my blushes, what I've done is I made this out of bristle board. I just glued everything together and I made something that looks like that. And so this actually is what is going to be looking out on the shelf. So I'm going to be putting some blushes up here, and this is going to be sitting against the shelf, and you'll see what that looks like. And it's nice and shiny. It's got that shiny finish, which I adore. So I think it's going to look pretty classy, and I like that. Fancy. So at Dollarama also, I got this cute little kit right here. This I believe was like $4.50, and this is all my glitter. Let me rephrase that. This is half my glitter. I need 1 more of these for the other half of my glitter and my stickers and knickknacks of stenciling and all that kind of stuff. So I do need to find another one. I went back to Dollarama, but they're out. So I'm waiting for them to be restocked so I can buy another one. And if I don't, I have to buy something similar, probably at Michael's, but hopefully I'll find one because it was only $4.50. And the ones at Michael's are like $30. So I was like, I hope I'll, get this. So these just pop out and it opens up, and that's my glitter. I still kept the brushes organized as I had them organized this whole entire time, like all these years. This is like a mug from Starbucks that I absolutely love, but the handle was coming off, so I just glued it down and I just kept it for my brushes. So that's one. I have about 4 different glasses or mugs. So I have this one. It's a Hilton mug that I got when I was in the travel industry. I think the lid cracked, so I just used it for like my concealer brushes and my foundation brushes and just little brushes to be used with cream. And then these are for like, this one is stained. A little bit of both. I do have to wash it. I was using it for something else, but it is stained a little bit, I think. But these are for my illuminators. And then this here is for my eyeshadows. All different types of brushes in there. So I have about 4 different glasses and mugs to just store them, and I've kept it like that the entire time. 1 glass for my liquid liners, just like that. And then I do have a glass for my mascaras, just like that, so I can see them. And then these are my lashes that are just kind of sitting in a corner. But the other lashes that I got rid of the packages and stuff or whatnot, I do use this. I got this at Dollarama as well. This is for pills, to organize your pills. I organize my lashes in it. Like, it just absolutely works. And it's good for traveling as well. Here is my desk where I use for doing my makeup and my arts and crafts. So this is what I've done with the Billy bookcase. Alright, everything is nice and organized. So at the bottom I just have my special effects kit, and then I have my towel, my tripod for my photos with my phone, and my makeup documents and books. You can see, I showed you in the first video. Alright, and then here are the trays with the eyeshadows and the eyeliners and just my eye stuff. Brows and lashes and mascaras are back there, and the liners are back there. This you remember from the first video that I did, the part 1. That's there, the illuminators, the powders, the concealers, the face prep. And then here is what the lip shelf looks like. So lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, and then the back there is where I made the shelf for the blushes. It looks so good. I'm so happy that this is done. And my friend Linda gave me this cute little panda lipstick from MAC. Really cute. Thank you, Linda. And That's what it looks like. And this shelf here, there's a little bit of space for now. I'm just gonna leave it. Some Q-tips and my brushes, and then at the top there is just the backdrops for my videos when I'm doing them, and there's my green screen. I got these at Dollarama. I just wanted to let you know they are no slip stoppers, and the reason I got them, on my powder illuminator shelf, I found that the powders here kept falling off. So if you end up making this and you're having that problem, there they are right there, and they just stay there so comfortably and they don't move. So if you end up making something and something just keep popping off like that, you can get these, and they're great. They're just silicone, no slip stoppers. They're great. I got them at Dollarama, but again, if you can't get to a Dollarama, Michael's sell them as well. Other than that, everything is organized, everything is good. I am so happy that it's done. I'm so happy to be able to share this with you, how I organize myself, and especially my makeup and my journey on that. And I hope that I inspired you. And let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if this helped you out, if you enjoyed it. I absolutely enjoyed making this video, absolutely. It also helped me organize, and I needed to get it done, and I wanted to show you. And then you also see that my studio is nice and finally organized. I'm so excited. And you can see my Christmas trees, and then my Barbie house is all nice and organized. I absolutely love it so much. It's so cool, and everyone is just having a holiday party. Everyone's just all dressed up in their best gear. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.